Cats are amazing in every aspect. They're very relaxing, they go for the soul, and they keep you just relaxed. I come home with all my stress going, and I have my cats. They're amazing. They just keep me calm. And that's why I love cats so much. They're great for the soul, great for the mind, and they're loyal. And after a long day's work, I come home to the hotel and I'm with my cats. And that keeps me going. With all the stress that I'm going through, I have the cats, which is amazing. Here's Abby. Abby! And Abby's feeling better. Abby's walking around. Hi, Ab. Yeah, she's doing she's eating a little bit, but she's not eating the way she's supposed to be eating. But that's okay. Just gotta keep her happy, keep her relaxed. But this is why I love my cats. They are amazing. There's the coon behind me. There he is. So hopefully this nightmare will be over soon, and we can all move to the new place. Yes. But this Abby, she's doing a lot better. There she is. There's my girl. There's my girl. And there's Tina. Good girl. And there's the male cat in the background. The great Yoda. There he is. Handsome guy as he is. But this is my lifeline here, my cats. And this hotel trip is almost over. It's going on, I think it's going on close to 4.5 months. At over $3,000 a month. Okay, people. Just wanted to say hi and give you an update on Abby. She's doing well. Talk to you guys later. I'm going in LAX today. Hopefully we get something really good today. Some good videos. Okay. Talk to you guys later.